Canary bird. It's my brother's bird. As you can see, it's very stubborn, and it's standing on the water tube. I don't know why he's doing that. He's nervous. Well, he doesn't like humans to be near him. I don't know why. He actually likes to live alone. If you bring a female with the male, he won't sing. You have to put the male alone. Otherwise, he won't sing. But however, if you want kids or you want new birds, new canary, small birds, you'll have to bring a female. And also a small nesting house. So yeah, he has flown to the ground here. Yeah. Thanks for watching and wait for an update.